Hey, welcome to The Explainer. Today we're completely rethinking corporate climate action with a repair-first approach.
Welcome to Metricom's Guide. We're going to see exactly how fixing things totally transforms your ESG reporting metrics.
You know, true sustainability actually starts way before the recycling bin. The absolute best waste is prevented waste.
So, gotta ask, is your ESG reporting missing the absolute easiest strategy for circular economy performance? We need a massive mindset shift. Stop measuring trash created and start tracking that proactive waste prevention.
Because look, every brand new product hides a huge carbon footprint before you even turn it on.
Fixing stuff directly relieves four major environmental burdens: waste, replacement demand, nasty transport emissions, and material extraction.
And hey, recycling isn't a magic bullet. It costs energy and transport, so no excuses for early disposal.
Okay, so how do we actually turn this awesome theory into hard, measurable ESG data?
By tracking killer KPIs like waste avoided and life extension. That's how you measure real circular economy performance. But remember, solid reporting totally relies on hard proof. Think repair logs and invoices, not just catchy slogans.
To make this work, use practical steps like checklists and QR codes. Take the guesswork right out.
Plus, procurement teams gotta shift focus. Ditch the cheap, disposable stuff and aim for long-term lifecycle value.
Your ESG strategy literally starts at checkout. Demands spare parts, modular designs, and solid warranties up front.
Ultimately, repairing isn't some old-school idea. It's a super strategic, forward-looking business control for a sustainable future.
So, before you ever throw something out again, ask yourself one crucial question. Can we repair this first?